So the name of my project is Gesture Control Wheelchair and Body Mounting System. This is a hybrid project. It was made by two ideas. See, the first is that from here to here, it is a wheelchair which supports it to move front and back and from here to here, it is a body temperature system. Now, in which class you are? 8. You are in 8. See, you have so many wheelchairs now. How does it work? It has with the help of handle or gripping it, joystick, Then they have to work. They have to make a They have to use the energy. But we know the person who are ill, who are sitting in wheelchair, they are not. They don't have that much of energy to waste it. They have to make their energy to them. But for this, I have made a remote. In this, there will be a sensor and you can. If you will hold like this, it moves. But now it was not moving, so I have it on. I was maybe then charging. So it moves front, see here written right, left, front, left and back. And as been written, this is the first part of my project. Okay. And the second part is that body temperature sensor. See, here I have put it a temperature. Here I have put it a same, in which it sends a message to register your number of doctors, but now I have my number to show you all. How many temperature is that? I have registered the normal temperature. In the temperature, 1 second. In LCD it shows I have registered the normal temperature, but if the temperature sensor is attached to the body of the patient, then the temperature increase. It will show in LCD. In the buzzer, it will show green light. But if the temperature increase, it start buzzing and it shows red light. See, I'll show you the work. You can come and visit here. Okay. It's my school name because I did it there. See, body temperature and the temperature. I don't have a patient, so I have to use lighter only. So if the temperature was increasing, see, my body temperature detected and start buzzing. Then excuse me, will be recorded for 3 minutes. This is register my name. I said you know. See. It will come the message. You don't want to install any app. If people take a phone, will get a message, no? Message app, same app only. It will. See, the message has been came. Is it? Wait a second. See the message. And by the help, the conclusion of it is
जो ये गियर मोटर है वो अपना वेट लिफ्ट कर लेगी.
देखिए, अभी जो मैंने मोटर लगाया है ना, वो मैं इसके हेल्प से लगाई हूँ. मेरे को जितना कॉस्ट मिला मैंने उतना एफर्ट किया. अगर गवर्नमेंट मेरे को अपॉर्चुनिटी देती है तो मैं जो हम लोग का वेट लगा वो मोटर लगाऊंगी, उससे वर्क होगा. जो जितना मेरे को कॉस्ट मिला उतना मैं की. सो ये हो गया, वो डिटेक्ट कर लिया, SMS सेंड कर लिया. और बाई चांस सपोज तुम्हें उस if you are in another room, you are doing your work. If the patient's temperature was increased, then what do you do? You won't understand that your patient's temperature has been increased. You hear the buzzer, that your buzzer started buzzing. It means the temperature has been increased. Then you will come and you will help it out. Have you visited Jharkhand? Have you visited ma'am?
No.
Have you visited?
No.
You didn't. So I'm representing Jharkhand now. So I have to represent this things also. That this is a famous painting. Its name is Sohrai. This painting usually done by the women who are tribal peoples.